Welcome to Vehicle Vibes, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the exciting new addition to Honda's cruiser lineup, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie looking to hit the open road, this bike has something for everyone. Let's take a closer look. Engine and performance. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is powered by a 745cc VT twin engine, delivering smooth and reliable power. This engine offers the perfect balance of torque and responsiveness, ideal for both city commutes and long highway cruises. Honda has fine-tuned the performance, ensuring that it remains both beginner-friendly and thrilling for experienced riders. With a 5-speed transmission, the ride is effortless and efficient, providing a comfortable experience at any speed. Design and comfort. The Shadow 750 maintains its classic cruiser aesthetic, featuring a low-slung chassis and sleek, clean lines. Honda's design team has paid attention to every detail, from the wide, comfortable seat to the well-positioned handlebars, ensuring an ergonomic ride. The bike's minimalistic look is complemented by modern touches, like a bike that stands out but doesn't scream for attention, perfect for riders who appreciate subtlety. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the 2025 Shadow 750 with a host of modern features that enhance both safety and convenience. It comes with a front disc brake system for better stopping power, paired with a rear drum brake. Additionally, it's fitted with a smooth suspension system that absorbs bumps and imperfections in the road, providing a comfortable ride in various conditions. The bike also features a digital display, which shows essential data like fuel level, speed, and trip information. Handling and rideability. One of the standout features of the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is its exceptional handling. The low center of gravity, paired with its 17-inch front and 15-inch rear tires, gives the bike incredible stability and control. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising along open highways, the Shadow 750 handles effortlessly. Its lightweight frame makes it nimble, making it perfect for riders of all skill levels. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is a perfect blend of style, performance, and comfort. Whether you're looking for a daily rider or a bike to enjoy long road trips, the Shadow 750 is designed to deliver an exceptional experience. With its timeless design and reliable performance, it's no wonder Honda continues to be a leader in the cruiser category. Thanks for tuning into Vehicle Vibes. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on your favorite rides. Safe riding.